3, 2, 1, power up!
It's autonomous. Team's trying to get the switch, going to get the points. Yeah. And it looks like the Red Alliance managed to get that point. And here comes Platypi. But that's about it. Nobody got the scale, so the score right now is 27-15, 29, 30-15. The score's going up by 1 point per second. The Blue Alliance did not get their switch, so they're getting no points. Their score is not moving beyond the autonomous. Red got the switch, and they all crossed the autonomous line, so that yellow dot means they're going to get at least 1 point for their ranking average. And there we go. 1038, Lakota Robotics. They're really good on the scale, and I think a lot of the teams have noticed that. This is the point in the match where scouting becomes very important, because teams are going to try to pick a robot that does complement their abilities and makes the best. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts, and that's what First Robotics is about. Red Alliance has the clear advantage. They're going up by 2 points per second because they both own their switch and their scale, as you can see in the upper part of your screen. Those circles there, that's what it means. That sound is that Blue has just to pick the levitate. They will get a free climb at the end. They got that by putting those cubes, like 4467 is doing it for the Red Alliance. They're getting power cubes, and the Titanium and Tigers 4467 is loading the exchange and getting these bonuses that they can then execute. Over on the other side of the field, the Flying Platypi 2655. Remember, I told you about them. They're trying to place cubes onto the switch so they can get that switch away from the Blue Alliance. And those are like the only points the Blue Alliance is even making, and they want to take it away from them. And they're having a hard time with that there. And there's about a 50-point lead for Red with 30 seconds left. And that sound means now teams will be going to try to climb. 3260 on the Red is going to be the first to approach the scale. Flying Platypi, they don't climb. They're going to count on their partners to do it. We have a boost by the Red Alliance. And they've also just gotten their levitate. So now their score is really climbing quickly. Now we have a boost by the Blue Alliance on their switch. And there's still only about 100 points of climb. Lakota Robotics, 1038, looks like they had a successful climb, but that's about it. Looks like we have 1 climb for Red, 1 climb for Blue. And the results of that match was won by the Red Alliance. Let's see what it does to the rankings. 359 to 259. The score isn't as important as getting the win. That's 3 ranking points you see on the left side of the screen there. 1 ranking point for their auto run, crossing and scoring on the switch, and 2 for the win. No ranking points for the Blue Alliance, and you can see the 2 drops in the rank for those 2 teams there. 2655, the Platypi remain in second.